great. Wow, gigantic. Matcha smoothie.
Subway.
No way. Benito is still here. Wow. Benito's everywhere.
A little, oh my god, this is so cute.
Little Chinatown.
How much is that?
3,600, $7.
Worth it.
For two and drinks.
Okay, let's go. That's so hot.
Let's go though. Deep fried tamales. So good. Wow. Like the Chinatown?
Yeah, that's that.
There's takoyaki here. Wow. Lots of Asian stuff. Let's see what they have. There's some sort of show. I wonder what it is.
Don José Ramón, ahora por favor, procedamos a abrir el maletín, si no es mucha molestia.
¿Para qué? ¿Ya usted sabe lo que tiene?
¡Ábralo!
Huh, a store called Sweetness, but it also says Indian. It's like a little bit sweet. It's kind of funny when it's called Sweetness. Wow, more Chinese things. This Chinatown is more real than like the one in DC. Ice cream time. Oh my gosh, even Chinese traditional outfits. We can have those in some of the Nova area. That's wild. I could get a cheapo here.
You can get your sheep out and take pictures with it.
Yeah, that's funny. Whoa. Whoa, this is so cool. What? It's like an ice cream sandwich. That's funny. So many cute things here. Super okay. My friends try out what they're doing. Alright, heading out now.